Festival Okarina, kamenček v mozaiku blejske kulture, je v letošnji izvedbi prvič na odre postavila sodobno etno zasedbo Duo Bat. Ta je poskrbela za otvoritev festivala. Duo Bat deluje kot projektna skupina produkcije Bat in je pod vodstvom Sora Kim. Zanimalo nas je, kakšna je zgodba Duo Bata.
The work together, maybe 2015, yeah. And then we work together. Our band consists of Janggu and Gayagum, which one is Korean traditional instrument. So yeah, we always making some music of nature. You know, when we were working together, we imagine nature. So our music always speaks like sound of nature. So
the concept of the project was also going out from the nature. You both are really connected with nature and try to put that on the stage?
Yeah, you know, like a Korean traditional, like a string instrument, which one is gayagum. Gayagum is very, sound is very sensitive and then soft and very weak kind of. But my instrument, like Korean traditional drum, is really loud, sound is very louder. You know, so when we work together, that was really hard to work. You know, so we every time trying to make a balance, how to make a very a good sound, like a nature. So yeah, every time we trying to spread out our music in the world. You know.
So you have a lot of concerts all over the world, beautiful places, and now you're here in Festival Okarina. Mm-hmm. Is there one thing that makes this experience in Bled special?
Yeah, it was really, really special and very, I feel very fantastic, you know. Well, we think one of the best music festival in the world. So when we went to very different countries, but I think here is one of the best city. I think so. When we not yet we play the music. We first time practice right now. So yeah, I feel very cool.
The purpose or the message you try to give with your project forward?
Yeah, it's very hard to question for me. So the Korean traditional music is not very popular in my country. Also, you know, another country they don't know which one is Korean ethnic music and traditional music, because this generation so many different style music in the world, right? So my purpose, our band purpose, how to spread out Korean traditional music in the world. It's my first purpose, I think. And then our instrument is very special things, very traditional and very historic instrument. So most people know, oh, that one is Korean instrument, right? So they catch up very quickly from our music, and me and the Jihae, also my members. So yeah, we can every time trying to spread out our music, and then they know very quickly things. So.
Za uspešno zgodbo Duo Bat se skrivajo 4 dame, ki skrbijo, da bi bila tradicionalna korejska glasba prepoznana v svetu.
It's special because we consist of 4 ladies. First, the producer Hanul Bat, and then composer and art director, she's Miji Yang, and then string gayagum player Jihae Im, and me, my name is Sora Kim, I'm a drummer. So that is very, very quickly make music when we when we working together, Jihye and I, and then my composer, she every time helps us which one is great melody and then which one is very great rhythms. So she always advised our music. And then director Nirbat, she knows how to spread out our music to many people, very quickly. So this group is, I think, very nice and then very good advantage, kind of. I don't know that word, but so our band is very special in Korea.
Which sounds are the ones that you try to?
Yeah, that's a really interesting things. We prepared some music for this festival. We almost 12 songs on this stage. So the title is very nature title, like Star or Bridge or like Cloud, Yeah, so if you want to hear, and then you can find like sound of nature very quickly. So, yeah.
Otvoritveni koncert Duobat je poskrbel za zanimivo interpretacijo narave z glasbo.